Oh my god. Okay, well, what I'm basically gonna do is I accidentally started all over again, but I don't care. So my cousin's gonna shake Dr. Pepper, a Dr. Pepper bottle, and so he's just gonna shake it and then he's gonna drink it while he throws it away. So hopefully it explodes. See ya. Go.
Are you guys shaking this?
Well, he's there.
Oh god, I'm scared. Hold up.
Hold on, wait. Hold up.
Try to catch it.
Okay, well, I don't know if you could see it, but it's obviously right there.
Yeah.
Hey, you wanna go with your daddy to get the pizza?
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Hold up, guys. Okay, well, here we go.
I'm gonna turn the water out.
Ya vino por la llave bonito.
¿Cuál es?
Por la carro de esta.
Oh, please.
Oh, porque no las entregó. Se las
No.
dimos de esa.
Oh, you see that? You see that, guys?
Me llévate esa, se las dimos a
You
él.
see that? You see that?
Fizzing. Ready?
Ey, ¿pero dónde está?
This is going
No sé.
in my mouth.
No
Got
las
this
entregó.
200K likes.
No ha venido para atrás por ella. Porque ahí las dejé yo, se me hace que se las llevó.
Oh my god.
It didn't work.
Well,
We opened it too late. No. Keep it going. Wait, go one more.
Yeah,
I'm
JJ.
gonna do this. I'm gonna shake it while I'm in my mouth.
It's not working. Well, it worked once. Well, it worked once, so say deuces.
No.
Okay. Hurry up, your dad's leaving. Well, that worked. So, deuces.